Alright, operations with complex numbers here. Alright, complex numbers is the real numbers a and the imaginaries together. So a complex number is a number that can be written in the form a plus bi. So a is my real portion and bi is my imaginary portion, or terms. Where a and b are real numbers and a is imaginary unit. Okay, we know I squared equals -1. A is called the real part, B is imaginary. Okay, so combining like terms, if I have these two here, A plus BI and plus C plus DI. So all we do is combine the A plus the C, whatever the signs are. If this is a 3, that's 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. BI here is like, we treat it like it's this like same like term. So if that's a 7i and that's a -10, 7 plus -10 is -3. Okay, that's all we're saying here, so we just got to be careful of the signs. When we FOIL, know that I times I is I squared, so that's something to keep in mind. Okay, everything else is the same. Your middle terms are going to have, should be some sort of combination, but this I squared becomes -1, and so we can combine it with the first. All right. To divide complex numbers, first multiply the dividend and the divider by the complex conjugate. Okay, so we're going to talk about that when we get to this one. So the complex conjugate is basically, we're going to use the difference of squares. So one's plus, one's minus. That's how we're going to treat that. All right, so simplify. So like I said, when we just look at like terms here, so 6 plus 4, well, that's 10, right? And we have one I plus a -5. Well, that's -4i. Okay? All right. So example 2 here, negative, minus, so 8 minus 6 is -2. And 3i minus a -2i. What happens when we minus negative? Well, that's plus. So 3 plus 2 is 5. That's positive. Okay? Alright, so we're going to FOIL this. So first, 2 times -4 is -8. Outer, 2 times 2i is positive 2i, 4i. Inner is -5i times -4, so that's positive 20i. Last, -5 times 2, -10, I squared, because I times I. Well, I squared is -1, so really this is a plus 10. Okay, so we got -8, I got plus 4i, plus 20i, and plus 10. So like terms, positive 4i plus 20i is 24i positive. -8 plus 10 is 2. And we're done. Alright. Alright, so here's where we talk about the complex conjugate. Alright, so original problem, 3 minus I over 2 plus 3i. We don't like i's or radicals in the denominator, so we're going to multiply the conjugate. So notice how when we are first and our last, we did not have an I, just our middle term did. So what we're going to do to get rid of this middle term, like I said, we're going to talk about the difference of squares. So one is plus, one is minus, and that's going to get rid of our middle term. So the complex conjugate of 2 plus 3i is 2 minus 3i. Alright, so now we're going to FOIL the bottom, FOIL the top. Or FOIL the top, then FOIL the bottom. Either way. So first here is, we're going to just treat this like parentheses, right? 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times -3i is -9i. Negative I times 2, -2i. Negative I times -3i, well, that's positive 3i squared, so I squared is -1, so that's -3. Alright, so now the complex conjugate, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative 3i is negative 6i. 3i times 2 is positive 6i. Positive 3i times negative 3i is negative 9i squared. Well, I squared is negative 1, so negative negative is positive 9. What happens to our middle here? Negative 6i plus 6i is gone. So we just have 4 plus 9, which is 13. In the top, 6 minus 3 is 3. And negative 9i minus 2i is negative 11i. And that's it. So the complex conjugate is what we need to do. So complex conjugate is same numbers here, just different sign in the middle.